Hello, it's Latoya Watts, and welcome to another video. I want to congratulate you on wanting more information and taking action to see how you can instantly advertise to thousands daily for free in your business. All right. This particular site, Hercules Plus, can be used for any business niche. All right. So we're just going to hop right in and get started here. So, why Hercules? Okay. Hercules has been trusted for almost 20 years and has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide. Okay. They offer email as well as web marketing. Okay. So it's embedded 100% safe opt-in list. So you can send your ads up to 85,545 opportunity seekers, an email, as well as a web format. Okay. Hercules also offers 100% free traffic. 100%. All right. 100% real traffic. All right. So, what do you mean by real? What do I mean by real traffic? Real traffic simply means real people. Okay. So, real eyeballs on your website. Okay. So, no fake traffic or no bot clicks. All right. They also have a ton of powerful tools where you can advertise and grow and build your business. Okay. What I also like about Hercules is that they have an affiliate program tied into this particular website, which simply allows you to earn 50% commissions. And you can receive those commissions up to 24 hours. All right. So within 24 hours. Um, the site allows you to network, work and join thousands of like-minded business owners and opportunity seekers from all over the world. Okay, so as you can see, this is the power of advertising your business with this particular website if you wanted to stray away from just the regular social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Just getting more exposure to your business. We always want to get more exposure, so this site is definitely going to help you with that. All right. They also offer it's mobile friendly. Okay, so you can submit your ads on the go. And of course, the more ads you submit, you're increasing your traffic, which can ultimately lead to more results. Okay, um, ton of designs, and new marketing tools. So you can also join for free for the mobile version. Okay, if you're utilizing this by phone. Alright, so once you get to Hercules.com, you want to click on the sign up button. You're going to arrive at a page that allows you to create an account, okay? And in the first box here, you want to enter your first name. And in the next box here, you want to enter your last name, alright? You also want to keep going and insert your website. Alright, so whichever website you want to use to send your leads and your prospects to, you want to enter it there. Your website can be changed at any time, okay? Keep that in mind. Alright, so you want to include your username. And it also lets you know here that your username will be displayed in your affiliate URL. So once you join the site, you also receive a link that you could promote Hercules as an affiliate. Okay. So that username will be tied into your long URL. Okay. Then you want to create a password. All right. Then you want to re-enter your password directly below. You want to enter a subscribed email. It's highly recommended that you use a Gmail, okay? And it says that all regular members submitted ads are sent there, okay? So that means that if they're already a member of Hercules, whatever ad that you put out on this particular website can go to any of the 85,000 members of this particular website, okay? So it says click to use the same email for both, or use a main email here, and as well a Gmail is highly recommended. And it says all the admin notifications are sent to the main email, okay? Special offers, mega mailing, submissions, and so forth. All right, so you have that option, okay? And then you want to read the terms of service, of course. Go ahead and check that box, and then you will create your account. All right, so you want to make sure that you go ahead to that email, whichever you provided, and verify that you did join Hercules. Be sure to um, click that box and check your spam folder, as well, as sometimes things end up in the spam. So be sure to verify your Hercules account, because you won't be able to submit your ad, your free ad, unless your email has been verified. All right, so since I'm already a member, I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Just give it a second. All right. All right, I'm going to log in. All right, so once that configures, go ahead and click the members button here. All right, I'm just gonna exit out some of these announcements so you can clearly see my dashboard here. All right, so once you get into your Hercules back office, you can see that you have your affiliate URL right here. You know, you can always highlight it, take it to a URL shortener, or get a domain for it to promote this particular site, so that you can earn 50% commissions, okay, per referral. All right, so once you're in, you want to click on account, scroll down to submit ad. Then you want to click on continue to add mailers. All right, on this submit ad page, you're going to see the rules for placing your ad on this particular site. No porn or illegal business opportunities. No subject lines such as account terminated or any other subject lines that are made to appear as they are coming from Hercules admin. All right. No subject lines that make false claims such as you have a new member or you've received a payment from. So use good taste in all of your ads and subject lines, okay? So be creative, you guys, and no foul or offensive language. All right, so you're going to continue to scroll down to regular mailer. All right. So as you can see here, it says regular members can send an ad daily to 1,000 random members with this mailer. Okay. So on this box here, use regular mailing to submit ads. You want to insert your subject line. All right. You want to enter your website. All right. So make sure to include your HTTP link there. You want to enter an ad body, which is simply your description as you would any other platform. Okay. You want to give a description. And usually on this particular platform, short and sweet is a good way to go, okay, as far as your ad copying, because you should be directing them to your website, all right, which will allow for the conversions. And then, very important, before you submit your ad, it'll tell you do not click the submit button more than once. Please wait until the ad is completely submitted, and this might take a few minutes. All right. Let me just do a sample ad here, just real quick so you guys can see. Be sure to give a call to action, you guys, meaning directing them to your website. All right. You can re-enter your website and your description if you would like. I'm going to go ahead for the sake of time and submit this ad. Remember to only click one time. And then it'll tell you that your ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. So that's how you can get your ad viewed by thousands daily for free. Okay, stay consistent, you guys, with your advertising for your business. Thanks for watching. If you found any value in this video, go ahead and leave me some feedback down below. You also have access to mega mailers where you can get your ads seen by over 85,000 plus people using Hercules. So I'll leave that link down below in the description of this video as well. If you would like to get started with Hercules, that information will be down below in the description of this video. Go ahead and create your account. Go ahead and promote it. Share this with your people who are joining you so that they can hit the ground running with placing their ads in their business. And it's free to advertise to thousands, as you can see, and it's optional to upgrade. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.